y'all get here? Who let y'all pass security? Come on in here, child, for somebody to see you out here looking like yourself. Y'all coming? What's up, Kings? Welcome back to another episode of King's Closet. On today's episode, on my last video, I said I was going to give you guys an apartment tour. And, me being a man of my word, I'm just here to hold up my end of the bargain, honey. So today, we're going to give you a brief tour of my new apartment. Now, before we get started, I'm just going to throw a little disclaimer out there. I'm going to show you where I got all my pieces from. Now, you may see a few price tags still on the items that I have up in here, but let's get into it. I'll explain later. Come on. Okay, so here we have the main entrance. This is the door that you guys came in. This is the foyer here. This piece here is actually from my old apartment. Yeah, this was in my bedroom in my old apartment. And then, I just took that and I added these two pieces with it, which is really bomb. Like, ugh, love these two. This door here is one of my two closets, little coat closet, nothing crazy, just hoodies. Not gonna get into that. This door is locked. I don't even know what's in here, but we're gonna leave that alone, child. Then we got the washer and dryer here. Washer and dryer. This is my runner that I love so much. I paid $80 for this runner. My mother, she is mad at me because I spent so much on a runner, but I thought it was just so cute. And I needed something thin that can, wouldn't get stuck on the door when I open it and stuff like that. So this is the foyer here. Then we're going to go into the restroom. That's me. More of me. So this is the bathroom. I decided to do navy in here. I got the rug first. And then, I started to build off of that. So, gold is my thing. Honestly and truly, everything in here that you'll see is pretty much going to be gold. Silver, I feel like gold is so rich, it's so luxurious, as you can see. So a lot of the things that you'll see in here, all my accent colors will pretty much be, mixed with gold. All right, so I had to slip into something more comfortable, Chad, because that robe was getting me overheated. So now I showed you guys the bathroom, and now we're gonna slide into the bedroom. So this is where all the magic happens. This is my bedroom. Kind of small, but it's just enough for me. I got the TV over here in the corner, and my tall dresser there with my mirror and all my jewels and stuff like that. These two pieces on the end came from my old apartment as well, so I took those two and I added this new piece here. This piece came from Home Goods, I believe. I went and got me that's another old piece from my old apartment too. I had that one in my bathroom, which is really cute. It's gold. I told you, everything that you see is gonna be pretty much gold. This is my bed. I got a new bed. I got this from Bob's Furniture. I also got my dresser from Bob's as well. Tall dresser with 5 drawers. They got these little cool, little stick thingies where I hang my robe and stuff, Here's my night table. I got this from either Home Goods or Home Sense. I'm not sure, but that's that. Here's one of my other kids. I named this one Ansel. Hey, baby. I got this little cabinet, to store some of my extra blankets and stuff in. Here is my second closet. I got these 2 pictures up here. Stay golden. Amazing things are going to happen. My little vision board, I did this a while ago, and I take it pretty much everywhere I go, and I post it on the wall just so I can see it every day and, try to, make these things come to life, All right, y'all. Now we're going to move into the next room. I'm going to take you guys into the kitchen. So you know what that means. New room, new fit. All right, y'all. Now we're going to move on to the next room. We have the kitchen here. We got our dishwasher, our stove and microwave. We have the refrigerator over there. And we got my favorite sign to describe me when I'm hungry. Hangry. A state of anger, annoyance, and hostility caused by the lack of food. Hunger can cause a negative change in emotional state and can only be cured by eating. Ain't that the truth? Ain't that the truth? God expects you. So here I got my little snack cabinet here with all my goodies and chip clips and my rice and my ramen noodles. Can't forget about those. Over here is my seasoning cabinet. You know who's front and center? My bae, old bae. Got your little slap your mama back there. Adobo, seasoned salt. You know, got my chicken in the bag. Can't live without that. What else we got? We got my little bless sign here. You know, my mama told me that I had to get something that said blessed because every time I look at it, I gotta know that I'm blessed. Duh. What's next? Here we have the china cabinet with my glasses and my plates. You know, my little cute little shot glasses, regular glasses, and you have your wine glasses up here at the top. Right? Cute. What's in the refrigerator? I don't even know what's in here, child. It's giving wine. It's giving to go. Ooh, more liquor. Wow. It's giving meal prep. Like, ooh, child. I don't even know what's in here. Where's my ice pops? Oh. My favorite thing to do is lay in bed in my robe and eat ice pops. Like, ooh. They make me so happy. Ooh, child. Now we're done to the kitchen. So now I'm going to take you to my favorite room in the house. My living room. All right, so this is my living room. I decided to do gray in here with a pop of yellow. So you see I did the gold curtains there with the gray sofa, with the grommets. And then I found this rug with the gray and the yellow and like a black situation here. Here's my accent chair. The accent chair I got from Wayfair. The couch I got from Bob's. The curtains, oh God, let me tell you, I got these curtains. I found like 2 panels, they come in a pack of 2. So I found 1 pack and I literally had to search every store to find the last pack. So my mother ended up finding it in PA. But I'm just so happy that I got them. They look so good. They're room darkening curtains. So, you know, when I don't want the sun to shine through the house, I just draw them things up, child. Got my little talking chic over here. This bomb lamp that I got from Home Goods. What the tag say? Yeah, that's Home Goods, child. So we have this pole lamp over here, like with the diamond pole lamp. Really cute, really cute. She came from Home Goods as well. We got my 55-inch fireplace over here with these 2 pieces on the side, which is so bomb. This piece here, my favorite piece in the living room. Like, I don't even know what kind of texture this is, but it's really good. Like, it's so bomb, and I got these 2 stools gonna go underneath it. I'm actually waiting to find the other match to either one of these stools because it's kind of mismatched right now. But, you know, I just had to get something because, you know, I wanted it to be symmetrical. So we got my gold going on over here. Here's another one of my babies. She's the newest addition to the family. I got Harambe over here in the corner. Hey, girl. Little baby on the bed or whatever. Here is my gold full body mirror that my man bought for me. Really cute, really slender. This picture right here. So this is where it all started, honestly. Like, I think this was the first thing I bought for the living room and I built around that. Then I found this couch, so I'm like, okay, let's incorporate, you know, the golds, the blacks. That's why we have these pieces here. Yeah, my coffee table, which I love so much. Oh, it's just so cute. It's so quaint. It's so small. Look at my TV trays. So I don't have like anywhere to put a dining room table, if you can see. Living room, kitchen, closet. Like I don't have anywhere to put a table. So my dad was so adamant about me getting TV trays, and I don't hate them as much anymore because they're marble and they're cute. So, you know, it is what it is, child. So this is the living room. Like, this is my home. This is where I spend all of my time. Okay, so this is my crib. Yeah, so I'm very full. I'm very grateful to be in this space, to have my own place and stuff like that. Like, honestly and truly, this transition would not be possible without my immediate circle. My mother, oof, girl, it's my girl. That's my good girlfriend, honey. Like, she really came through with this whole process. This is my first time living on my own, and she made sure that, you know, I was good. Like she really made sure like this transition was as seamless as possible for me. So I'm forever grateful, and you know, I appreciate you highly. You know, now I've been saying I when it came to, you know, picking out decor and stuff for my apartment, but truth be told, it wasn't all me. Okay, you know, I picked out a few things and stuff like that, but my aunt Monica, my mom's sister, like, bruh, when I tell you she's a beast when it comes to interior design, like, she doesn't do it full time. Like, I told her, sis, quit your job and do this full time because you the shit and you know your stuff. Honestly and truly, I just want you to know that. Like, me, I'm a wardrobe stylist. I can close my eyes and I can see, like, different looks together. I can put clothes together in my head. She does that with home decor. Like, I feel like it's not my thing, and she gets it. Like, okay, get this. This would look good with this. You should put this in that corner. Like, this would be this and that, and ha. She got it. So, you know, that's my girl. You know, we was in the store every weekend trying to find stuff for my place. So, you know, I'm very appreciative. I'm very grateful for everything. Like, you know, I was kind of reluctant about taking this place because, you know, it's a lot smaller than what I'm used to. You know what? It's not even it's a lot smaller. The thing that was holding me up was the closet space, okay? One thing about my fashions now live in 2 different zip codes, okay?
Oh, excuse me?
My fashions is so rich that they live in 2 different zip codes. Not my choice, okay? You know, I'm coming from having a full walk-in closet, another full closet with 2 double doors, and a linen closet. So, you know, I had clothes in every closet, and now I had to scale down to a coat closet and a closet with 3 shelves. I'm like,
the hell we gonna do now?
Where I'm put my clothes? I said I'm gonna have to put my clothes in the dishwasher. Like, girl, like, I don't even know what's supposed to happen. So, you know, I prayed on it, and I'm like, you know what? God is putting this in front of me, and he, ha 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 ha.
Pray, then I gotta get it out. I gotta pray.
He is the reason why I'm here today in this new apartment. So I am grateful. So I'm not gonna question his word. I knew it was a part of his plan. Like, it came out of left field. I want you to know, like, this whole process literally happened within less than a month. Like, me being approved and me moving in, and then I had to move in like a week later. Like, it was a lot, you know, but it wasn't too bad because it's not like I had like a full apartment that I had to squeeze in here. I just had my bedroom stuff, and, you know, I just got everything else that was, you know, new for my living room and stuff like that. So it was cool. Like, living on your own it's a great feeling. Honestly and truly, it's a good feeling. You know, just having your own solitude and your peace of quiet, it's amazing. Honestly and truly, it can get too quiet and it can get a little lonely, you know, eventually. But I'm enjoying it. Honestly and truly, I get up and do what I need to do when I want to do it. Walk around naked, like, it's a good time. Honestly and truly, you know. So I'm grateful for, you know, my new place and stuff like that. So, okay, so there's a few things that I want you guys to take away from this video. Number 1, redecorating is very, very, very expensive. When you got good taste and you want what you want, it's gonna run you a bag, okay? So be ready to, you know, we can cut corners here and there, but if you want to get that bang for your buck, you got to blow a bag on your place. Rule number 2, don't be afraid to say what you want throughout the process. You know, even if you're working with an interior designer or even a stylist and stuff like that, you know, with me, when I'm styling a client, like, I try to take what I like and what they like, and we meet somewhere in the middle. So, you know, I'm trying to take what you like and take it to the next level. So don't be afraid to voice your opinion, because at the end of the day, this is going to be your space, so you need to be satisfied with the pieces that you want. Rule number, what was that?
Today.
Oh my God, what is that?
And last but not least, keep your price tags on everything. You may never know what you're gonna come across, and it may be better than what you have, and you may have to exchange it for something even better. So once you give it a tag, they ain't gonna take a step back, child. So keep the price tag on until you're 100% sure that this piece is for you. We're gonna wrap things up here. I'm gonna give you guys another quick tour. Let's get into that. This episode of King's Closet. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big fat thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, turn the notification bell so you keep it with King in King's Closet. I am King, and you ain't gotta go home, but you gotta get the hell up out of here. See you later.